Well, it's time for us to bring out our first guest. Please welcome the winner of the Base Sports Challenge. It's Nasti 2K's.
What's the crack, lads? RTÉ? What's the story, boys?
Take a seat. Yeah, great to have you here. And the Base Sports Challenge, you won it.
Yeah, miraculous. I'm not sure how, obviously, against all the odds, but we got it done.
Fair play. Well, tell us about starting out in social media. You're absolutely massive on there. So what was it that kicked it all off?
Yeah, so it was really doing Bowls vlogs on social media that kicked it off, going to matches. And obviously the season ends in November. So when it got to November, obviously I was posting one video a week, but I had nothing to post after that. I was like, I'm enjoying posting, but nothing to post. What are my interests? Football and field. So I threw up my takeaway one night, said love a curry on a Saturday night, and it all branched from there.
So where did your love for bows come from?
Yeah, so obviously my dad being a big fan of bows, and he lives relatively close to Dalymount. I think I went to my first game when I was something like 9 years of age. And I've always just loved like the sort of small homegrown stadium atmosphere. I'm a United fan as well. I've been to several games, but I suppose being over to those games, I still, you know, value my connection with bows.
And your love for food is admirable, but we need to know, what is your favourite food?
It has to be spice bags. I mean, I've been all around the world at this stage trying different bits and pieces, but yeah, the spice bag reigns supreme.
Okay, Nasti, since the spice bag is your favourite food, we decided that we're going to show you our own total football version. You ready?
Oh, I wasn't expecting this, but let's see.
Mo Salad, out you come.
There we go. There we go. Now let me get a bit closer to the action there. Now, this looks great, very generous, but I can't help but think, you know, a couple of bits could be added to this. So we are going to design an absolute slobber knocker of a Nasti special. So let's start with the fundamentals. Let's see what we've got going on here. Right, so we've got the spice bag. You know,
Oh, it looks nice.
it's doable.
Yeah.
Now we'll throw a couple of sauces onto it. I
Total
hope they're the
football
ones.
sauce. What have
Curry
you got?
sauce. Get a little bit of that on there.
It's making you hungry, lads.
A little bit of that on there. Don't worry, lads, there's plenty to share around. Right, time for the wild cards. So we've got some pineapple, we've got some habanero peppers,
Oh, no.
got a little bit of coriander now, but these are purely just decoration.
Just to make it look
No, I
nice.
can't, yeah.
You're telling me you do this every weekend?
I mean, not really with the pineapple, that is an addition, but otherwise,
the
yeah,
show.
every Saturday, sometimes twice a week, I mean, but the Saturday is, you
Right,
know,
taste test.
cilantro.
Oh, yum.
Right, I've got one for you guys.
Right, Nasti, tell me, what is the fundamentals of a good spice bag?
So you want a solid chips to chicken ratio. You want proper spicy curry sauce, plenty of brown tint in the egg fried rice, and then you're on your way.
Right,
easy.
out of 10, what are you giving this one?
I'm gonna give this a 7.6 out of 10.
Not too bad.
Very
So how
specific.
could it improve then?
Well, there's no rice, so obviously that's quite a bit of a letdown. I'd probably leave out the pineapples in future. I don't think they really added anything to
That was
it.
a
but
bit of a mad one.
I think the habaneros really enhanced the flavour. So listen, 7.6 isn't bad. My scale's tough to break into. So